Do you need the hyperlinks on your PDFs to work properly? If you do, it's very important how you download them, as I discovered this week. This week's Canva quick tip is how to make sure that your hyperlinks work in your PDFs. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Be Your Own Graphic Designer has unique images for you to use in your websites, social media, or on your videos. And many of our images are included in Canva as a pro item. I will include a link to Canva Pro and a link to our website so you can have a look at the images that are available. This week I was creating some PDFs to go in my Etsy shop as a link to some Canva template downloads. And I'll show you what happened. I'm going to go across now to share my screen. This was one of the PDFs that I did this week. It's very plain because it's all about the downloads and getting to the templates. Basically, there's 365 days of Canva quote templates. So different quotes for the whole year. And they're all sized either for Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter, so horizontally, or for Pinterest, a vertical layout. And all these hyperlinks do work. But where I had the problem was when I decided to go to download. If I go to show you what happened, I went to download and I changed this to PDF because that's the format I wanted. And then I had this comment called Flatten PDF. And I read this saying, flattening your PDF can help ensure it prints properly. Now, most people won't be printing this PDF, but I do think it might be useful in case people did. So I ticked that box and then downloaded. And I'd never ticked that box before. And it was a mistake to do it. Let me show you the result. This is the template I just downloaded. And if you go down to where the hyperlinks are, you'll see nothing showing. It's just showing across. And if I try to click, nothing happens. And there are lots of hyperlinks on this. On all the hyperlinks, there's nothing there. Then I went back and downloaded it without the flattened PDF. And this is what happened. When I hover over, all the links are in place. So if I just click on this, you can see it opens up straight away in the template that we designed. I just thought that'd be really useful to share if you think of doing any kind of hyperlink. When you go to download your PDF, don't click the flattened PDF. If you found this useful, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notify bell, and you'll be told every time I record a new video. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.